process of breathing is mechanical in nature, so it's controlled by repeated contraction and relaxation of muscles. Those muscles, known as the respiratory muscles, combined with the diaphragm, which is a dome-shaped muscle, sits underneath the lungs. Then we've got the internal intercostal muscles and external intercostal muscles, which are between the rib cage. Between the ribs, around the rib cage. Internal intercostal muscles on the inside, external intercostal muscles on the outside. The contraction of that muscle, or those muscles, influences changes in the size of the chest cavity. So when we breathe in, chest gets bigger. When we breathe out, chest gets smaller. And that's really how we trigger breathing in and out. This relies upon something called Boyle's law. Boyle's law, which states that the volume of a container and the pressure of a gas inside it are inversely related, okay, at constant temperature. So, handy diagram I've prepared to help us figure that one out. So, here we go. Small volume, high pressure. Pressure being defined as sort of the force objects are exerting upon each other. Same amount inside, but big volume, low pressure. Those objects aren't forced upon each other. And again, that's what we call an inverse relationship. So, when those respiratory muscles contract, rib cage gets bigger, that drags the lungs outwards, increases the size of the lungs, and because of that, pressure inside drops. When pressure inside the chest goes below pressure outside in the air, air will rush in through the nose to fill that cavity up and equalize the pressure. When those muscles relax, or in the case of the internal intercostals, pull the rib cage forcibly down and in, lungs get compressed, so that's the volume getting smaller, pressure goes up because everything's squashed together, and when pressure inside the chest gets higher than pressure outside in the ambient sort of air around us, air will rush out until it's equal. So that repeated contraction, relaxation, will allow for movement of air in and out of the body through a mechanical process, relying on that key concept of Boyle's law.